Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do very simple maths. We are going to calculate the area of a circle and circumference of a circle. Now if you are following me, I've done this in the previous video where I calculate the area of a circle. Okay, but today I'm going to do circumference of a circle, so that you can see the difference between these two. So here I've drawn the circle and given the approximate 2 centimeters radius, and the diameter is the full length from here to here, but the radius is half of the diameter. So the formula is circumference is here is equal to 2 by r, this one, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so we are going to find the value, the area and the circumference. It's just like a refresher from the previous video, which if you watched how we calculate the area of a circle. So let me go straight to it now. And another thing, for those who don't know, actually the circumference means going around this circle, or going around the circle. That is the circumference. And the area means inside. You calculate this. I've colored it to show you this area. So this is a difference. So let's calculate. And just as simple as it looks. First of all, let me get my calculator. I use this tablet to do maths, and unfortunately it's off, so let's wait just 1 second. But you can see it just right off the bat that you're gonna take 2 times this one. What is this? This is pi rounded up to this. This is longer than this, but this is a rounded up figure, times 2, which is a radius according to this formula. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 is the radius, pi has a value which is 3.14 times r, which is half of the diameter. Means the diameter is the full length of a circle, radius is half. You must be knowing this. It's a standard 7 grade maths. So this is from here to here is the radius, and from here to there, let me just draw it to make it much clearer. This is the diameter d. Okay, now if we take half of this will be the radius, half of the entire length here. So the formula to calculate the circumference, which means going all around this circle, is up there. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and then the area is pi r squared. It means you have to square this if you want to find the area. Now these are the figures. You can make any number for radius. So let me just find this calculator first. Sorry guys, just hold on a minute, I'm trying to find the calculator. Okay, so we are going to calculate the real figures and give different values for radius. I want to clean this. I think you have seen it, right? And I just leave all. There's no need to clean. So let's say we've taken this. Let's start with this one. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r, and this one I've calculated down here, 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So if the radius is 2 centimeter, then it will be 2 centimeter times pi, which is 3.14, times r, the radius, which is 2 also. So it's just like 2 times 3.14 times 2. That means 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 3.14. 4 times, I'm just calculating 0.12, sorry, 0.14, right? Yeah, it's 0.14. It gives us the value of 12.56. 12.56. I just calculated this one. Now let's calculate the area. I don't have to, maybe I should write it down, but this is very simple math. So if we multiply this thing here, this one is going to give you a value of 12.56 centimeter. We are not squaring anything here, so it's gonna give us this. And if we're gonna do the area is pi r squared. So I've done the area here. This is the area. We got pi, which is this one, the value is 3.14, rounded up figure, times 2 squared, which is 4. I think it's gonna be the same thing. Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing because it's just what we did. It's 4, yeah, it's the same thing. So it looks like area and circumference mean the same thing according to this. Let's plug in some different figures. Let's try other figures. We'll leave the formulas here because it all depends on the formulas. This is really simple maths. I think all of you can follow it. And one other thing, let me just we give different figures. Let's give these like 3 radius to be 3. So we're gonna apply this against those formulas there. Circumference equal to pi r, 2 pi r. So r is 3, so it will be the same thing. We multiply 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times r, which is 3. Let's do that. 2 times 3.14 times 3. Yeah. So let's plug that figure, those figures, and we'll see what we get. Okay, there is a difference in the sense that when you doing pi r squared, what are you going to find out the area in units? So 3.14 times, okay, 3 times 2 is 6. This and that, this and that will give you 6 times this. So times 6, it'd be 18.84. 18.84 centimeters. Okay, hold on a minute, I have to check on the units. Hold on guys, just 1 minute. Just hold on a minute. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to do something, then I'll show you. I'm giving the answers because I'm not sure about the units used. Units are used. Yeah. So, yeah guys, yeah, the circumference or parameter in a linear value and its units are the same as the units of length. If you open a circle and generate a straight line out of it, then its range is a circumference. It's commonly measured in units such as centimeter or, yeah. So it comes in form of centimeters. So if you want, you get the answer, you write in centimeters. So let's see whether it's squared. I have to give you accurate information. Yeah, circumference is dimensional, so it makes sense that the variable is not squared. As cubed is not squared, so it's given like that. So let's see how it is expressed. I'm reading to you some notes that I've copied down here. The circumference of a sphere in the circumference or length of any one of its great circle, circumference pi times diameter. Yeah, but it's not given in square, it's just given in say centimeter or meter, like that. And about the area, and hold on a minute guys, area of circle, that is in units. We want to know exactly what is the right answer. Units are confusing. Which units do we use? You can use centimeter squared or meter squared. The area of a circle is the region occupied by the circle in two-dimensional plane. It can be determined easily using a formula, area is equal to pi r squared, as we have shown you, where pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. So the unit of the area is a squared unit, such as meter squared or centimeter squared, exactly what I told you. So I've confirmed. Actually, I wanted to be very sure that I'm not giving something that is not correct. So when I give area, for example, now we calculate the circumference, I found these centimeters because we are simply calculating the length. So you can give various values. You can give 4, 5, 6, whatever the radius is. If you're calculating the circumference, you're going to multiply 2 times the pi times the radius, whatever the radius is. So here, for example, here we add 2 in the beginning, so we multiply this times pi times r, 2 pi r. So you got the answer. Then when you're doing the area, the difference is that in the area situation, we don't have 2, we just have pi, but we are squaring the radius. It's a very simple math. So we're taking pi, which is 3.14, times radius, if it's 2 squared is 4, times 3.14, we get the answer in centimeter squared or in meter squared. Yeah, you can do more examples. Say for example, suppose we have 4 here inches. Okay, let's use centimeter or millimeter. Let's use centimeter actually for convenience sake. If you take 4, what is going to be the answer? Now let me give you some homework so you can find the answers and post in the comments below. So I'm gonna ask you, dictate to you, what is the circumference of a circle given the radius is 2 centimeters? You write that one down. What is the circumference of a circle given the radius 2 centimeters? That's what we have just done. What is the circumference of a circle given the radius to be 3 centimeters? And finally, what is the circumference of a circle given the radius to be 4 centimeters? You know the formula is C is equal to, write down this formula, C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. That's how you find the circumference. Now let me give you the same about the area. I don't know why it's not appearing clear here. This A, or maybe I should write it in full. Area is equals to this, area. So area of a circle is equals to pi r squared. A stands for area. Okay, A stands for area. Area is equal to pi r squared. Now I'm giving you homework. What's the area of a circle given the radius 2 centimeters? What's the area of a circle given the radius 3 centimeters? And what's the area of a circle given the radius 4 centimeters? So you're gonna find the area, and this you are given sequence 3, 2, 3, 4 in form of radius. Or also, let's add one. What's the circumference of a circle given the radius to be 1? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as a radius. So you can calculate that. This is very simple math. And read the comments below. Did you find the answer? So this is very important. You just know the formulas for this, and you know the circumference means all around, and the area means you have to find the area in the shaded region, the whole inside the circle. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Today we have actually done the area before, and this is just a refresher. So today we are doing circumference and area together. We did, I think, area and of a circle and a triangle. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and share. Bye for today. Bye. Simple maths. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.